Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We are building a LEGO Friends Junior set today. Well, actually, they're now called 4+ because you don't have to be a junior to build these. You kind of have to be 4 and above though. You can be littler and have your mum or dad help you. But they are actually a really easy build, fun to build, but still so much fun to play with. You get to the playing so much quicker because there's not so much building. Oh, check out this car chassis. These bits are they stuck on? These bits normally are separate. Well, that's cool. Those are actually, well, okay, they're not coming off. I won't try and pull them off. All right, so we've got everything we need. We've got the instructions, we've got the pieces. Let's start building. So here we have got Emma. Well, not quite yet. We have got Emma's legs, and next she needs a body. So let's put her body on. She is dressed with a little doctor's top on there, or a little vet outfit. You can imagine this is whatever you like. In the medical profession, it'll work for anything. Nurses, doctors, vets, whatever you like. And she has got the right head and the right eyes and the hair to know that this is Emma. So Emma is totally ready to do some vetting, which is new for her, and she's joined by, I think this is Toffee. Isn't this Toffee like the little pug dog that is Mia's pug? So for some reason, not quite certain what's going on in the storyline that goes with this set, we might just have to make something up. Toffee the pug is here with Emma in this vet set. But this is not a normal vet clinic, this is the mobile vet clinic. And to make it mobile, we need something with wheels. So let's put some wheels on our car chassis. We need 4 wheels, obviously. So here we go. We're putting the inside pieces in them so we can actually attach them to the car axles. We've got 1, 2, 3 wheels ready, just the last one to go. Now we've got 4 wheels and we can attach them on. So this one on here, 2 on each side, there's 2 on here, and 2 on the other side. And there, look, the car's ready, it rolls. What else do we need? Look, Emma can go for a ride in here, so can Toffee. They can go for a spin, and they're not very secure in there, but that just makes it even more fun. Actually, I think Emma could completely lie down in here. It could be like a bed car. They should invent a bed car. I want a bed car. Who's going to be the first person to invent a bed car? Tell me in the comments if it's going to be you. It should be. Really want a bed car. Okay, back to concentrating. Okay, so not a bed anymore. Boo! We're putting in a steering wheel and we're putting a seat in, so we can't make this a bed car anymore. But I could totally take all these pieces out and make it whatever I want later on. But there's now a much more sensible space there for Emma to be able to drive. Emma? Can you bring that back to a 16-point reverse and get back over here so that we need to continue putting pieces on this car. Keep getting distracted by dreams of a bed car. We'll put all of these little purple pieces on the side, the dark purple, and they've got only a few studs on them, which means we can attach a few things on the top. And this little pillow piece is going to sit here as the backrest for Emma. That looks really comfy. Oh, actually, maybe it's not a backrest. Maybe it doubles as a backrest and a little compartment here where Toffee can be safely put to be taken to the vet clinic. Some little fence pieces on either side too. This vet clinic mobile car thingy is taking great shape. We've got some pink tail lights on here. And the back looks as though it is ready. Of course pink, because pink taillights are awesome. And on the front we've got a curvy over piece. And do we have some headlights on the front? No, hold on. We have got a windscreen. Look at that. Ooh, I can see Emma's now got 4 eyes. Look, it's kind of in that facety kind of bit on the top. You can reflect her lips now. And oh, her eyes, now she's got 4 eyes. That's such a great little illusion. And these little white pieces here make like little floppy dog ears. And this printed piece is kind of like, is it like a dog face? It's got some headlights on it, which are important so we don't crash into stuff when we're driving in the dark. And this is a nose. I was hoping it would go bip bip, but it doesn't. No, that's all right. I can just pretend it goes bip bip. And she's going for a drive now, her little mobile vet clinic car thing. Oh, can you not run into everything? Oh my goodness, Emma. Okay, the car is ready. Now we need somewhere to take this puppy to have the puppy investigated. And this printed piece here has got an x-ray of Toffee, and Toffee has a heart, which is good. Toffee's got a few bones. Toffee's heart rate looks pretty good, so I don't know what's wrong with Toffee. We'll just have to make it up as we go along. This part here could be the light or a heating lamp. could be whatever you want it to be. But Toffee is, look, see? That's totally Toffee. Even the little curly tail on the picture is Toffee. And it comes with an injection, so you can give Toffee an inoculation if he needs it. Oh, poor Toffee. Toffee was very brave through that injection. There's also a little baby's bottle, so you can feed Toffee if Toffee needs some special care. And there is a plate with a special reward bone and a spare bone just in case you lose the first bone, and a brush. Perfect, we have got everything we need now. Now, I have no idea what the story is to go with this set. I mean, Toffee is Mia's dog, right? And, well, Toffee was so excited to see Mia, knocked poor Emma right over. But Emma's being a vet, which she's never ever been before, and I'm entirely baffled as to what this set is about. So I want you to tell me. Yes, that's right. I want you to write in the comments what you think is going on in this set, and I will make a story, a role play out of it in another video. So if you don't put your comment down, I can't make a story out of it. And will it be yours that I choose? Well, let's wait and find out. Now, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Make sure you put your comment down below the video so I can read it. And I'll see you in the new video very soon. I am so looking forward to reading your stories. So I'll see you soon. Bye!